Okay, so I'm working on a Lazy Susan and I need to cut one more circle for the base of the Lazy Susan. So first thing I'm going to do is see how big of a circle I need. And this thing from corner to corner is about 8.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is probably cut a 9.5 inch diameter circle. And what I have is just some scrap plywood, a piece of hardboard that's cut to fit this miter slot. Fits pretty snug, and then I'm going to cut the circle out of this plywood. First thing I'm going to do is attach this runner temporarily to this piece of plywood that I'm going to use for my my jig to cut the circle. So what I want to do is position this plywood a little bit beyond the blade, so when I cut it I'll know exactly where the blade's going to be. And so I'm going to need the runner to be about right here underneath this piece of plywood. So let me do that with some Starbond glue, thick glue, and some accelerator so this thing can attach to it really quickly. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to just eyeball this and get it kind of square. Hold this down for a few seconds. Okay, so that's ready to go. And then what I'm going to do is actually raise the blade up and cut that. So I'll know exactly where the blade's going to be at real quick. So okay, so what I'm going to do is just draw a line in here so I know where the center of my nail is going to be, and I'll know that's going to be the point where I'm going to cut the most. Right there is whenever I spin it. But so I'm going to cut a 9.5 inch circle. Divide that into 4.5 plus another quarter, so 4 3/4 from the edge will be my dimension I'm looking for. So let me set this real quick to 4 3/4. Find it. There we go, 4 3/4. Alright, so if I did that at 4 3/4, let's say that's the nail mark. I'm going to double check my numbers here, and that should be 9.5 to there, 4 3/4 to there. Yep. So that's the center of my circle. I'm going to take this little nail here and nail it in and snip the end off. So I have my pivot point. So again, that's it. That's at 4 3/4. Okay, so I got my pin. So I have my pin, and I have my rail glued on, and I have my scrap board. And I'm just going to take this, kind of hit it on there, like so, and then raise my blade up and start cutting.